Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser cover overlay in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need the heat gun and the utility knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser cover overlay. This dispenser cover overlay is attached on the outside of the dispenser cover. It explains the function of each dispenser button. The main reason to replace the dispenser cover overlay is if it's worn out, making it difficult to press the buttons. Alright, so this is our display cover overlay. We're going to remove it. I'm going to use the heat gun. We're going to soften the glue at the back of it, and then we're going to remove it easily. Next, I'm going to use the utility knife. You can use anything sharp. And I'm going to start on one of the corners. And as I promised you, it's going to be a little easier now because we softened the glue. If you feel that it's not soft enough, you can continue using heat gun for another couple of minutes. Like I will do that because it's a little bit hard here. Alright, we peeled it off. This is the old dispenser cover overlay next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we have here on our new overlay, and I'm going to turn it over, and you see there's a protective layer here, and I'm going to peel it. I'm going to grab this little strip and peel this slightly. That would be more than enough for the first step. And now we're going to insert it into this right side and make sure that we do it perfectly before we glue it. Align it. And I'm going to peel this paper off more. And now we're going to start peeling it from the back. All right, and we also have there's a film on the top of it. You can leave it if you want it to be shiny like this, or you can peel it off. And it's even shinier. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.